Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ode from madeinchina.com. We are currently at book number 4B045. Here we have the pleasure of interviewing Mr. Freya, Overseas Director at Optosky Photonic based in Xiamen, right?
Right.
Good day,
Thank you.
Mrs.
Thank you.
So how are you
Nice to
today?
meet you. Great. Thank you.
Okay. So, do you mind introducing your company and its latest development plans?
Okay. Optosky means optics and world. It's our turnkey spectroscopy solutions in the world, and we have over 20 years experiences, and we have developed over 200 new products, and till now we have over 300 employees, and over 160 are engineers focused on developing. So we are the developing driven company.
Okay.
And we will continue to focus on the turnkey spectroscopy solution developing in the future, and developed the made in China scientific instruments for China.
Okay, thank you. So, do you mind introducing the product you are exhibiting here today?
Yeah. Firstly, let's introduce about this Raman spectrometer series. This is the biggest Raman imaging spectroscopy microscope. So this is the triple band Raman microscope and true confocal Raman microscope. It can make the resolution down to 0.35 resolutions. So it's the world best. Still, this is the most miniature Raman microscope with the 2D imaging. And still, this is our this year's take here. This is our latest new product is the true confocal miniature Raman microscope. It's a very compact size, and integrated in this imaging in this head. So it's very convenient. And this instrument is our grating spectrometers. Is used inside that confocal Raman microscope. So we still have other compact size Raman spectrometers. So can we move on to our hyperspectral imager? You know, when you see this is a big 6-axis drone, this one is the most high-tech one. Is a hyperspectral camera, and hyperspectral camera like a million times more clear camera can install mounted in the drone and can fly in the air to take the pictures to form the 3D database. And we also have the mobile unit and hyperspectral microscope, and also those compact. This one rotary one, and still move on to this spectral photometers. We can cover the UV visible and NIR spectral photometers. And so now to mention these spectrometers. We are the exclusive spectrometer manufacturer We can cover it from 185 nanometers to 25 micrometers. And all these spectrometers self-developed by Optosky manufacturer.
Okay.
Thank
so
you.
All your products are really, really interesting.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what opportunities do you see in the optoelectronic industry, both technically and in terms of market potential?
Yeah. Optic electronics is a very potential market because it's the real high tech. Like most of our spectrometer is a kind of sensor and detector, which is the core component for any instrument. So it has great potential market to extend it. Before it's needed to import it from the United States and the European, but now in China we have so big market and we can develop it by ourselves.
Yes.
So it's great potential market for this industry.
Okay, thank you so much. So, do you have any message or wishes for the CIOE's 25th anniversary today?
Yeah. Thank you. CIOE exhibition is really big and professional, and I wish you have a great successful exhibition. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank
We
you.
really appreciate your insight and look forward to your contribution to the industry's future. Thank you so much.
We will.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See you.
See you.